Namaste, dear readers. Today we will be chanting a Kavacha Stotra of Lord Dakshinamurti as given in the Dakshinamurti Samhita. This Kavacham is called Trailokya Sammohana Kavacham. This is a conversation between King Harishchandra and sage Narada, where King Harishchandra requests that he wants to learn the Kavacha of Lord Dakshinamurti, and Narada teaches him that Kavacha. Gangadharam Shashidharam Umakantam Jagatprabhum Dadhatam Jnanamudram Cha Dakshinamurtimashraye. Let us seek refuge under Lord Dakshinamurti, who shows the Jnana Mudra, the gesture of wisdom, the Chin Mudra, with his hands. He who bears river Ganga on his matted locks of hair. He who wears a crescent moon as his ornament. He who is the beloved husband of Uma, Umakantam, Jagat Prabhum, the Lord of the worlds. We seek refuge in Dakshinamurti. Now the Purva Pitika starts. Agatam Munishardulam Naradam Jnanadam Sada Drishtva Raja Mahabahuhu Suryavamsha Samudbhavaha Harishchandrabhido Natva Provachedam Shuchismitaha. Harishchandra starts talking to sage Narada. Narada has come to Harishchandra for some reason. Narada is the giver of knowledge. He always gives knowledge even to the great sages. He is the guru of Valmiki. He is the guru of Vyasa. He is the guru who initiated Panchakshari mantra to goddess Parvati. So he always propagates wisdom. That is characteristic of sage Narada. On seeing sage Narada, the king who was born in the lineage of the sun god Suryavamsha Samudbhavaha, one who is born in the lineage of Lord Surya. Such King Harishchandra bowed to Narada, Natva, bowed in reverence, and with a pure smile he started talking to him. Harishchandra Uvacha. Harishchandra said, Devarshe Shrotumichami Kavacham Mantra Vigraham Dakshinamurti Devasya Vadame Narada Prabho. O sage Narada, O Lord. He calls Narada Lord because Harishchandra treats Narada as his guru. So he calls him Lord. O Devarshe, the official seer of the gods. I want to listen to the Kavacha, which is made of mantras, various mantras. Shrotumichami Kavacham Mantra Vigraham, of whom Dakshinamurti Devasya, of Lord Dakshinamurti. Please tell to me, please teach me. Here though he says tell, the intention is he wants to learn the Kavacha from sage Narada. Narada Uvacha Shrunurajan Pravakshyami Sarva Sampat Pradayakam Dakshinamurti Devasya Kavacham Mangalalayam. Narada says, O King Rajan, Shrunu, listen. I will tell you, Pravakshyami Sarva Sampat Pradayakam Kavacham. I will give you the Kavacha which can grant all kinds of wealth. The Kavacha is of Lord Dakshinamurti. Dakshinamurti Devasya Kavacham. This Kavacha's deity is Dakshinamurti, and this is the dwelling place of all auspicious things. Mangala Alayam. This Kavacham has everything auspicious in it. It contains auspiciousness. Yasya Shravana Matrena Chashta Siddhir Bhavishyati Rajya Siddhir Mantra Siddhir Vidya Siddhir Maheshwara. Just by listening to this Kavacha, 8 kinds of great yogic siddhis are attained. Kingdom is also attained, Rajya Siddhi, mantras are perfected and accomplished, Mantra Siddhi, Vidya Siddhi, wisdom is also perfected and accomplished. Maheshwara, here the word Ishvara is used to convey the meaning leader, O leader. Just like in Ramayana, Sugriva is called Hariganeshwara, Lord of the monkeys. So Maheshwara, O great leader, O great king, Harishchandra. Bhavatyachira kalena Dakshinamurti Varmataha Pura Vaikunta Nilayam Bhagavantam Murantakam. So all these siddhis are attained by this Varma. Varma means Kavacha, shield. Now Sage Narada starts to convey how this Kavacha came to him. How did he attain this Kavacha? Pura Vaikunta Nilayam Bhagavantam Murantakam. Once upon a time, Pura, the Lord who lives in Vaikunta, Bhagavan, he who has 6 great qualities, Murantakam, the destroyer of Mura, Bhagavan Vishnu, Chaturbahumanadyantam, Achyutam Pitavasasam, Shankachakra Padma Dharinam Vanamalinam, Srishtistityupasamhara Hetu Bhutam Sanatanam, Sarvamantramayam Devam Shaivagama Parayanam, Shaiva Diksha Param Nityam Shaiva Tattva Parayanam, Dakshinamurti Devasya Mantropasana Tatparam, Kamala Pranata Bhutva Papracha Vinayanvitam. Now the attributes of Lord Narayana, Lord Vishnu, is given here. He has 4 hands, Chaturbahum, Anadyantam. He does not have any beginning, not any end. He is eternal. Achyutam, he never falls from his place. Pita Vasasam, he is garmented by yellow cloth. He holds conch, discus, mace and lotus in his 4 hands. Vanamalinam, he wears a vanamala, a long garland made of various flowers. He is the reason or cause for creation, sustenance and destruction. Srishti, Sthiti, Upasamhara Hetu Bhutam. Sanatanam, he is eternal, he is always there. Sarva Mantra Mayam, he is full of all mantras. He is the embodiment of all mantras. Devam, he is the Lord. He has mastered the secrets of Shaivagamas. Shaivagama Parayana. He is the reservoir of Shaivagama knowledge. Shaiva Diksha Param Nityam Shiva Tattva Parayanam. He has the Shaiva Diksha. Always. And he is always the dwelling place of Shaiva Tattva. That means you can gain Shaiva Tattva, the greatest knowledge about Shiva, from him. He is a great upasaka of Dakshinamurti Deva's mantra. Dakshinamurti Devasya mantropasana tatparam. To such Vishnu, Kamala, Lakshmi, the beloved wife of Vishnu, bows to Vishnu in reverence and she asks something. Here another attribute, Vinayanvitam, is given to Vishnu. Here if it was given as Vinayanvita, then humbly Lakshmi asked, will be the meaning. Here, Vinayanvitam, even though Vishnu has all these characteristics, he is always humble. To such Vishnu, Devi Kamala asks, Shri Mahalakshmi Ruvacha Narayana Jagannatha Sarvamangaladayaka Dakshinamurti Devasya Kavacham Vadame Prabho. O Narayana, O the refuge of all the jivas. Here in the Shaiva point of view, he is the refuge of all the jivas because he is the Guru. Jagannatha, the Lord of all worlds. Sarvamangaladayaka, who is the giver of all things auspicious. All kinds of auspiciousness is attained by the blessings of Narayana. Dakshinamurti Devasya Kavacham Vadame Prabho. Please tell me the armor mantra, the shield mantra of Lord Dakshinamurti. O Lord, Goddess Mahalakshmi requests. Shri Narayana Uvacha Shrunu Devi Pravakshyami Kavacham Paramadbhutam Atyanta Gopitam Devi Sarvatantreshu Siddhidam. O Goddess Lakshmi, Devi, listen, I will tell you the Kavacha which is best among the wonderful, Parama Adbhutam, Atyanta Gopitam, which is secretly preserved, very much preserved, and this will grant Siddhi, perfection. And this is preserved in all tantras, Sarva Tantreshu. That means this is the essence of all tantras. Dakshinamurti Devasya Sarvajnanodayasya cha Trailokya Sammohanakhyam Brahma Mantra Ugha Vigraham. This Kavacha is of Lord Dakshinamurtis. Who is Lord Dakshinamurti? Sarvajnanodayasya, the birthplace of all wisdom. Udaya here is emerging. Him from where all wisdom emerges. Sarvajnanodayasya. What is this Kavacha called? Trailokya Sammohanakhyam. This Kavacha is called Trailokya Sammohana. Akhyam means called or named. Brahma Mantra Ugha Vigraham. This Kavacha is the embodiment of Brahma Mantra Ogha, collection of mantras which is used in the worship of Brahma. Here Parabrahma is Dakshinamurti. Sarva Papa Prashamanam Bhuto Chatanakarakam Jayapradam Bhupatinam Sarva Siddhi Pradayakam. This Kavacha is capable of destroying all sins. It is capable of driving away negative forces. It grants victory to the kings. Bhupatinam Jayapradam. Jayapradam Bhupatinam means Bhupatinam Jayapradam, which grants victories to the kings. Sarva Siddhi Pradayakam, that which grants all kinds of siddhis. Lakshmi Vidya Pradam Bhadre Sukha Sadhanamuttamam. This gives wealth. Lakshmi here is wealth. Vidya here is knowledge. This Kavacha gives Vidya also and Lakshmi also. And it is easy to practice. Sukha Sadhanam Uttama. This great Kavacha is comparatively easy to practice. Kavachasyasya Deveshi Rishir Brahma Prakirtitaha Gayatri Chanda Adishta Devata Dakshinabhidaha Vishtapatraya Sammoha Jananayashta Siddhishu Nyaso Mulena Vaikaryastato Mantraranakam Charet. For this Kavacha, Brahma is the seer. Gayatri is the meter in which this Kavacha is sung. And the deity who is worshipped through this Kavacha is Dakshinabhidaha. His name is Dakshina. Vishtapatraya Sammoha Jananaya Ashtasiddhishu. What is the Vinyoga, usage for this mantra? To bewilder all the three worlds and for attaining 8 great siddhis. Nyasa should be practiced with Moola Mantra, and after that the Mantra Varana should be used. Now that the meaning of Purva Petika has been given, we will once again chant the whole Purva Petika and proceed with the Nyasa. Gangadharam Shashidharam Umakantam Jagatprabhum Dadhatam Jnanamudram Cha Dakshinamurtimashraye Agatam Munishardulam Naradam Jnanadam Sada Drishtva Raja Mahabahu Suryavamsha Samudbhavaha Harishchandrabhido Natva Provachedam Shuchismitaha. Harishchandra Uvacha Devarshe Shrotumichami Kavacham Mantra Vigraham Dakshinamurti Devasya Vadame Narada Prabho. Narada Uvacha Shrunurajan Pravakshyami Sarvasampat Pradayakam Dakshinamurti Devasya Kavacham Mangalalayam Yasya Shravanamatrena Chashta Siddhir Bhavishyati Rajya Siddhir Mantra Siddhir Vidya Siddhir Maheshwara Bhavatyachira Kalena Dakshinamurti Varmataha Pura Vaikunta Nilayam Bhagavantam Murantakam Chaturbahumanaadyantam Achyutam Pitavasasam Shankachakra Padmadharinam Vanamalinam Srishtistityupasamhara Hetubhutam Sanatanam Sarvamantramayam Devam Shaivagama Parayanam Shaiva Diksha Param Nityam Shaiva Tattva Parayanam Dakshinamurti Devasya Mantropasana Tatparam Kamala Pranata Bhutva Papracha Vinayanvitam. Shri Mahalakshmi Ruvacha Narayana Jagannatha Sarvamangaladayaka Dakshinamurti Devasya Kavacham Vadame Prabho. Shri Narayana Uvacha Shrunudevi Pravakshyami Kavacham Paramadbhutam Atyanta Gopitam Devi Sarvatantreshu Siddhidam Dakshinamurti Devasya Sarvajnanodayasya Cha Trailokya Sammohanakhyam Brahma Mantraugha Vigraham Sarvapapa Prashamanam Bhutochatana Karakam Jayapradam Bhupatinam Sarvasiddhi Pradayakam Lakshmi Vidya Pradam Bhadre Sukha Sadhanamuttamam Kavachasyasya Deveshi Rishir Brahma Prakirtitaha Gayatri Chanda Adishta Devata Dakshinabhidaha Vishtapatraya Sammoha Jananayashta Siddhishu Nyaso Mulena Vaikaryastato Mantrarnakam Charet. Asya Shri Dakshinamurti Trailokya Sammohana Kavacha Mahamantrasya Brahma Rishihi Gayatri Chandaha Trailokya Sammohana Namaka Shri Dakshinamurtir Devata Hrim Bijam Namah Shaktihi Om Kilakam Mama Trailokya Sammohana Sakala Samrajyadayaka Shri Dakshinamurti Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogaha Nyasaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye Angushtabhyam Namaha Tubhyam Tarjanibhyam Namaha Jagadvashyakaraya Cha Madhyamabhyam Namaha Trailokya Sammohanaya Anamikabhyam Namaha Namaha Kanishtikabhyam Namaha Sadgatidayine Karatalakaraprishtabhyam Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye Hridayaya Namaha Tubhyam Shirase Swaha Jagadvashyakaraya Cha Shikhayai Vashat Trailokya Sammohanaya Kavachaya Hum Namaha Netratrayaya Vaushat सद्गतिदायिने अस्त्राय फट् इति हृदयादिन्यासः। अथ अक्षरन्यासः। ॐ दं शिरसि, ॐ क्षिं दक्षिणनेत्रे, ॐ नां वामनेत्रे, ॐ मूं दक्षिणकर्णे, ॐ स्तं वामकर्णे, ॐ यें दक्षिणनासिकायां, ॐ तुं वामनासिकायां, ॐ भ्यं दक्षिणगण्डे, ॐ जं वामगण्डे, ॐ गं ऊर्ध्वदन्तपङ्क्तौ, ॐ द्वम् अधोदन्तपङ्क्तौ, ॐ श्यं ऊर्ध्वोष्ठे, ॐ कम् अधरोष्ठे, ॐ रां कण्ठे, ॐ यं हृदि, ॐ चं दक्षबाहौ, ॐ त्रैं वामबाहौ, ॐ लों कुक्षौ, ॐ क्यं पृष्ठे, ॐ सं नाभौ, ॐ मों जठरे, ॐ हं लिङ्गे, ॐ नां मूलाधारे, ॐ यं दक्षजानौ, ॐ नं वामजानौ, ॐ मों दक्षोरौ, ॐ सं वामोरौ, ॐ गं जङ्घयोः, ॐ तिं दक्षिणपार्ष्णौ, ॐ दां वामपार्ष्णौ, ॐ यिं दक्षपादे, ॐ नें वामपादे। ध्यानम्। ध्यायेन्नित्यं निरीहं निरुपममकलं ज्योतिरानन्दकन्दं सच्चिद्ब्रह्मामृताख्यं निरतिशयसुखं निर्गुणं निर्विकारम् विश्वात्माकारमेकं विदलितकलुषं दुस्तराज्ञानधर्मान् निर्मुक्तात्मस्वरूपं शिवमनिशमहं पूर्णबोधैकरूपम्. Let us always contemplate and meditate upon Shiva, who is free of desires, who is incomparable, who is beyond forms, Akalam, one who is the ever-existing light, Jyotihi, Anandakandam, one who is the embodiment of bliss, concentrated bliss, one who is truth and existence, Sat, one who is consciousness, Chit, one who is Brahma, the supreme absolute reality, that is immortal, Amritakhyam, Niratishaya Sukham, extreme bliss, Nirgunam, beyond qualities and attributes, Nirvikaram, free of all changes, Vishwatmakaram Ekam, one who is the form of the entire world, one who is the one who is the soul of the world, Vidalita Kalusham, who has destroyed all the impurities, Dustarajnana Dharman Nirmukta, one who is free from ignorance and the nature of ignorance that is insurpassable. Dustara Ajnana Dharman Nirmukta. And what is that? That is free from ignorance. That is Atma Swarupam, the real self. He is our real self that is free of all ignorance. Shivam, he is the embodiment of auspiciousness. Such Shiva I contemplate upon. Anisham, always Aham, I contemplate. Purna Bodha Swarupam, he is the form of or the core of Purna Bodha. Purna Bodha, complete awakening. That is the meaning of this dhyana. Evam dhyatva ramadevi panchapujam samacharet. After contemplating and meditating upon Lord Shiva in this manner, O Rama, do the panchapuja, the 5 offerings of worship, which is lam prithivyaatmane gandham samarpayami, ham akashatmane pushpaih pujayami, yam vayavyatmane dhupamagrapayami, ram vanyatmane deepam darshayami, vam amritatmane amritam mahanaivedyam samarpayami, sam sarvatmane sarvopachara pujam samarpayami. This is the Panchapuja. After this, the mantra is given. Om Dakshinamurtaye Tubhyam Jagadvashyakaraya Cha Trailokya Sammohanaya Namas Sadgatidayine. This is the Anushtup mantra of Trailokya Sammohana Dakshinamurti. One can chant it for 108 times, 1008 times and so on. Om Dakshinamurtaye Tubhyam Jagadvashyakaraya Cha Trailokya Sammohanaya Namas Sadgatidayine. Om Dakshinamurtaye Tubhyam Jagadvashyakaraya Cha Trailokya Sammohanaya Namas Sadgatidayine. Evam dvatrimshadvarnakhyam mantram samyak japet priye tatastu prapatet devi kavacham mantra vigraham. O beloved Lakshmi, you chant this mantra which is made up of 32 syllables, and after that this kavacha, which is the form of all different mantras, should be recited, says Lord Vishnu. Atha kavacham Om Pranavo me shirah patu tarako brahma sanyikaha. Om Dakshinamurtaye tu tatha tubhyam tatah param Jagadvashyakaraya Trailokya Sammohanaya Cha Namastatha Sadgatiti Dayine cha padam tatah Dvatrimshadvarnakam mantram mukham vrittam sadavatu. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtayeti Cha Mahyam Medham Tatha Prajñam Prayacheti Padam Tatah Swaha Padanvitam Mantram Chaturvimsharnakam Sada Dakshinam Netrakam Patu Sarvasampat Pradayakam. Om Aim Namah Klim Shivaya Sauh Padena Samanvitam Navarnam Patu Satatam Vamanetram Sukhapradam Pranavena Samayuktam Mayaya Cha Samanvitam Dakshinamurtaye Tubhyam Vatamula Nivasine Dhyanaika Niratangaya Namo Rudraya Shambhave Maya Taranvitam Mantram Shatrim Shadvarna Samyutam Mama Netradvayam Patu Sarva Saubhagyadayakam. Om Namo Bhagavate Chaiva Dakshinamurtayeti Cha Hamsasoham Tatha Mahyam Medham Prajñam Tatah Param Prayachya Swaha Cha Tatha Chaštavimsharnako Manuhu Mama Karnadvayam Patu Sadarajya Phalapradaha. Pranavena Samayukto Mayaya Cha Samanvitaha Vagbhavena Samayukto Aim Hrim iti Samanvitaha Vidyarashishravanmeshu Spuradurmiganolbanaha Umasardha Shariraya Namaste Paramatmane Saptatrimsharnakah Patu Manurna Sadvayam Mama Pranavena Samayuktaha Maya Bija Samanvitaha Ajnanendhana Deeptaya Jnanagnijvala Deeptaye Anandajya Haviprita सज्ञानं च प्रयच्छ मे 32 संयुक्तो लकुटाख्यमहेशितुः मनुः फालनेत्रयुग्मं पायान्मम सुखप्रदः ॐ ह्रीं ह्रां बीजयुतं च सर्वमङ्गलदायकं दक्षिणामूर्तये तुभ्यं वटमूलनिवासिने ध्यानैकनिरताङ्गाय नमो रुद्राय शम्भवे ॐ ह्रां ह्रीं ॐ इति च तथा वटमूलाख्यकं शुभं कंठं पायान्मम सदा 38 प्रणवेन समायुक्तो वाग्भवेन समन्वितः मायाबीजसमायुक्तः सौःकारेण समन्वितः मनुर्ममोदरं पातु सदा वागीश्वराभिदः पार्श्वयोरुभयोस्तारं मायाबीजान्वितं सदा पायादेकार्णकं मन्त्रं नाभिं मम महेशितुः वागीश्वरायेति पदं विद्महेति पदं ततः विद्यावासायेति पदं धीमहीति पदं ततः तन्नो दक्षिणामूर्तिश्च प्रचोदयात् ततः परं गायत्री दक्षिणामूर्तेः पातु पादद्वयं मम ॐ नमो भगवतेति शिरः पायात् सदा मम ह्रां दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो मुखं सदावतु ह्रीं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो व्याद्दक्षिणादिकं ह्रूं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो नेत्रं तु वामकं ह्रैं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो व्यान्नेत्रयुग्मकं ह्रौं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो दक्षिणकर्णकं ह्रः दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो व्याद्वामकर्णकं द्रां दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो व्याद्गण्डयुग्मकं द्रीं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो व्याद्दक्षनासिकां द्रूं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो व्याद्वामनासिकां द्रैं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमः फालं सदा मम द्रौं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमः श्रोत्रद्वयेवतु द्रः दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमस्त्वंसद्वयं मम क्लां दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो बाहुद्वयेवतु क्लीं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमः श्रोत्रद्वयेवतु क्लूं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमो नाभिं सदावतु क्लैं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति जानुयुग्मं सदावतु क्लौं दक्षिणामूर्तयेति नमः पादद्वयं मम पादद्वयं दक्षिणास्यः पातु मे जगतां प्रभुः कुल्पद्वयं जगन्नाथः पातु मे पार्वतीपतिः ऊरुद्वयं महादेवो जानुयुग्मं जगत्प्रभुः गुह्यदेशं मधुध्वंसी नाभिं पातु पुरान्तकः कुक्षिं पातु जगद्रूपी स्तनयुग्मं त्रिलोचनः करद्वयं शूलपाणिः स्कन्धौ पातु शिवाप्रियः श्रीकण्ठः पातु मे कण्ठं मुखं पद्मासनोऽवतु नेत्रयुग्मं त्रिनेत्रो व्यान्नासां पातु सदाशिवः वेदस्तुतो मे श्रवणे फालं पातु महाबलः शिरो मे भगवान् पातु केशान् सर्वेश्वरोऽवतु प्राच्यां रक्षतु लोकेशस्त्वाग्नेय्यां पातु शङ्करः दक्षिणस्यां जगन्नाथो नैऋत्यां पार्वतीपतिः प्रतीच्यां त्रिपुरध्वंसी वायव्यां पातु सर्वगः उत्तरस्यां दिशि सदा कुबेरस्य सखा मम ऐशान्याम् ईश्वरः पातु सर्वतः पातु सर्वगः शिखां जटाधरः पातु शिरो गङ्गाधरोऽवतु फालं पायात् त्रिनेत्रो मे भ्रुवौ पायात् जगन्मयः त्र्यक्षो नेत्रद्वयं पातु श्रुतिशिखामयः सुरश्रेष्ठो मुखं पातु नासां पातु शिवापतिः जिह्वां मे दक्षिणामूर्तिः हनू पातु महाबलः पातु कंठं जगद्गर्भः स्कन्धौ परमरूपधृत् करौ पातु महाप्राज्ञो भक्तसंरक्षणे रतः ईशानो हृदयं पातु मध्यं सूक्ष्मस्वरूपधृत् महात्मा पातु मे नाभिं कटिं पातु हरिप्रियः पातु गुह्यं महादेवो मेढ्रं पातु सुरेश्वरः ऊरुद्वयं दक्षिणास्यो जानुयुग्मं सुजानुभृत् पातु जङ्घे मम हरः पादौ पातु सदाशिवः मम पात्वखिलं देहं सर्वदैवतपूजितः वस्तिं रक्षतु गौरीशः पायुरक्षतु मङ्गलः कैलासनिलयः पातु गृहं मे भूतभावनः अष्टमूर्तिः सदा पातु भक्तान् भृत्यान् सदाशिवः लक्ष्मीप्रदश्रियं पातु आसीनं पातु सर्वगः पायात् पुरारिर्घोरेभ्यः भयेभ्यः पातु मां हरः उदये पातु भगवान् प्रथमे प्रहरे हरः यामे द्वितीये गिरिशः आवर्ते दक्षिणामुखः यामे तृतीये भूतेशः चन्द्रमौलिश्चतुर्थके निषादौ जगतां नाथस्त्वर्धरात्रे शिवोऽवतु निशा तृतीययामे मां पातु गङ्गाधरो हरः प्रभातायां दयासिन्धुः पायान्मां पार्वतीपतिः सुप्तं मां पातु जटिलः विसुप्तं फणिभूषणः श्रीकण्ठः पातु मां मार्गे ग्रामे त्वन्यत्र शूलभृत् किरातः पातु गहने शैले शैलसुतापतिः वीथ्यां पातु महाबाहुः पिनाकी पातु मां रणे जले पशुपतिः पातु स्थले पातु स्थलाधिपः पुर्यां पुराधिपः पातु दुर्गे दुर्गामनोहरः पायाद्वृक्षसमीपे मां नक्षत्राधिपभूषणः प्रासादे भित्तिदेशे वा निर्घाते वा शनौ तथा सर्वकाले सर्वदेशे पातु मां दक्षिणामुखः पूर्वदेशोपद्रवेभ्यः पातु मां पार्वतीप्रियः आग्नेयीभ्यः तथा रुद्रो याम्येभ्यः पातु मृत्युः नैऋतेभ्यः पातु हरः पश्चिमेभ्यो रमार्चितः वायव्येभ्यो देवदेवः कौबेरेभ्यो निधिप्रियः ऐशानेभ्यो रुद्रमूर्तिः पातु माम् ऊर्ध्वतः प्रभुः अधस्तेभ्यो भूतनाथः पातु माम् आदिपूरुषः इत्येतत् कवचं बाले सर्वमन्त्रौघविग्रहं त्रैलोक्यसम्मोहनाख्यां दक्षिणामूर्तिवर्मणः प्रातःकाले पठेद्यस्तु सोऽभीष्टफलमाप्नुयात् पूजाकाले पठेद्यस्तु कवचं साधकोत्तमः कीर्तिं श्रियं च मेधां च प्रज्ञां प्राप्नोति मानवः श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तिमन्त्रमयं देवि मयोदितं गुरुमभ्यर्च्य विधिवत् कवचं प्रपठेत् ततः द्विसकृद्वा यथा न्यायं सोऽपि पुण्यवतां वरः देवमभ्यर्च्य विधिवत् पुरश्चर्यां समाचरेत् अष्टोत्तरशतं जप्त्वा दशांशं होममाचरेत् ततस्तु सिद्धकवची सर्वकार्याणि साधयेत् मन्त्रसिद्धिर्भवेत् तस्य पुरश्चर्यां विना ततः गद्यपद्यमयी वाणी तस्य वक्त्रे प्रवर्तते वक्त्रे तस्य वसेद्वाणी कमला निश्चला गृहे पुष्पाञ्जल्यष्टकं दत्त्वा मूलेनैव पठेत् ततः अपि वर्षसहस्राणि पूजायाः फलमाप्नुयात्। विलिख्य भूर्जपत्रे वा स्वर्णे वा धारयेद्यदि कंठे वा दक्षिणे बाहौ स कुर्यात् स्ववशं जगत्। त्रैलोक्यं क्षोभयत्येव त्रैलोक्यविजयी भवेत्। तद्गात्रं प्राप्य शस्त्राणि ब्रह्मास्त्रादीनि यानि च कौसुमानीव माल्यानि सुगन्धानि भवन्ति हि। स्वधाम्नोत्सृज्य भवने लक्ष्मीर्वाणी मुखे वसेत्। इदं कवचमज्ञात्वा यो जपेन्मन्त्रनायकं शतलक्षं प्रजप्तोऽपि न मन्त्रसिद्धिदायकः। स शस्त्रघातमाप्नोति सोचिरान् मृत्युमाप्नुयात्। तस्मात् सर्वप्रयत्नेन कवचं प्रपठेत् सुधीः। नारद उवाच एवमुक्त्वा रमानाथो मन्त्रं लक्ष्म्यै ददौ हरिः। ततो ददौ जगन्नाथः कवचं मन्त्रविग्रहम्। ततो जजापकमला सर्वसम्पत्समृद्धये। तस्माद् राजेन्द्रकवचं गृहाण प्रददामि ते। तस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जगद्वश्यं भविष्यति। इत्युक्त्वा नारद ऋषिः हरिश्चन्द्रं नरेश्वरं ततो ययौ स्वैरगतिः कैलासं प्रति नारदः। इति श्री दक्षिणामूर्तिसंहितायाम् उत्तरभागे स्तोत्रखण्डे लक्ष्मीनारायणसंवादे श्री दक्षिणामूर्तित्रैलोक्यसम्मोहनकवचं नाम 44. Thus, O Bale, O beloved lady, this kavacha is the form of all kinds of mantras. Sarva mantra ogha vigraham. This is called Trailokya Sammohana. This is the Varma of Dakshinamurti. Varma means shield or armor mantra. Whoever recites this in the early morning, Pratah Kala, will attain his or her desires. Saha abhishta phalam apnuyat. Puja kale patedyastu kavacham. One who recites this kavacha during the time of worship of Lord Shiva, Lord Dakshinamurti, that great practitioner, sadhaka uttamaha, that great seeker will attain kirti, fame, shriyam, wealth, medham, wisdom, prajnam, skill. All this will be attained by that human. Manavaha prapnoti. This kavacha, which was told by me, Maya Uditam, O Devi goddess, this is full of or made up of Dakshinamurti mantras. After worshipping Gurum Abhyarchya Vidhivat, according to the procedure, then the kavacha should be recited for 2 times, dvihi, sakridva, or for once. Even if someone recites it for 1 or 2 times with the appropriate procedure, yathanyaya, as per the rules, that person is also greatest among the meritorious. Punyavatam varaha. He is great among those who are meritorious. That means this practitioner is also sa api. Api means also greatly meritorious. After worshipping the god Dakshinamurti, Devam Abhyarchya Vidhivat, procedurally, according to the procedure, according to the prescribed methods, then Purascharya should be done. Purascharya is the process through which a mantra is perfected. What is the count for the Purascharya? Ashtottara Shatam Japtva. One should recite this for 108 times and Dashamsham Homam Acharet. 1/10 of 108 should be performed as Homa, Havana. Like one must offer oblations after chanting this mantra in the sanctified fire for how many times? 11 times. Tatastu siddha kavachi. After that, the kavacha is perfected. Sarva karyani sadhayet. You can use this kavacha for attaining various kinds of benefits. Mantra siddhir bhavet tasya purascharyam vina tataha. Without purashcharya also, one will attain the mantra siddhi. Here, it seems like a contradiction. First, purashcharya is prescribed, and then it is said that without purashcharya also, one will perfect the mantra. That means without the generic purashcharya, like chant the mantra for 1 lakh times, etc. Just by chanting this kavacha for 108 times and doing dashamsha homa, the perfection of the mantra is also attained. What happens after that? Gadya padyamayim vanim tasya vaktre pravartate. He will start speaking words that are in prose and poetry. Like he will be well versed in prose. He can also create poems. That ability will be obtained by him. Vaktre tasya vased vani kamala nischala grihe. In his mouth, Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom and speech, will bestow her presence always. And Lakshmi will dwell in his house stably, nischala. Generally, Lakshmi in the form of wealth is chanchala. She moves from one place to another. But in the case of this sadhaka, who is blessed by Lord Dakshinamurti, through the sadhana of this kavacha, Lakshmi, Kamala becomes nischala. That means he gets stable wealth of all kinds. Then, one who offers Pushpanjali Ashtakam, 8 Pushpanjalis, offer flowers 8 times to Lord, and the book Mulena Eva, the book which contains this kavacha, and after worshipping in such a way, one must recite the kavacha from the source book Mulena Eva. Api varsha sahasrani pujayah palamapnuyat. If he does so, the practitioner attains the merit of doing worship of 1,000 years. Vilikhya bhurjapatre. In the birch leaf, if one writes down this kavacha using the prescribed methods, or embed this kavacha in gold, swarneva dharayaditi, and wear it. Where should you wear it? Kanteva, dakshineva. How? You can either wear it in the neck or one can wear it on the right hand. Then he can bring the world under his control. Sakuryat swavasham jagat. What does this mean? Everything in the world will become favorable for him. Bringing the world under control means he will attain whatever he needs in this world. Trilokyam, not only in this world, all the 3 worlds. Kshobayatyeva, Trilokya Vijayi Bhavet, he will conquer all 3 worlds by the merit of this kavacha. That means he will be respected in all 3 worlds. What kind of protection does he get? Tad gatram prapya shastrani brahmastradini yani cha kausumaniva malyani sugandhani bhavantihi. If various weapons or even celestial divine weapons like brahmastra touch his body, aiming to hurt him, they become like kausumani. They will become flower-like. Malyani sugandhani. They will become like garlands which emits good fragrance. That means these weapons will never hurt him. Even divine weapons cannot hurt him. Such protection will be bestowed upon him. And swadhamnotsrijya bhavane lakshmihi vani mukhe vaset. Leaving their original abodes, Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, and Vani, the goddess of wisdom and speech, will dwell in his house and in his face. That means he will attain abundance in wisdom and wealth. We will feel that Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Saraswati is always with him. Such is the potency of this kavacha. idam kavacham ajñatva yojapet mantranayakam shatalaksham prajaptopi na mantra siddhidayakaha. Without knowing this kavacha, whoever chants the king of mantras, in this case the Trailokya Sammohana Dakshinamurti mantra, without this kavacha, that mantra cannot be perfected. Shastraghatam apnoti sochiran mrityum apnuyat. He will be attacked by weapons and he may die soon. We must understand that this is to convey the importance and potency of this kavacha, not to give a curse. Tasmat sarva prayatnena. Hence, for this reason, therefore, this kavacha should be recited by the wise. Sudhihi prapateti kavacha. May the wise recite this kavacha. Narada uvacha. Now Narada continues talking. Evamuktva Ramanatho mantram Lakshmiyai dadau harihi. Having said all this, having explained the potency of the kavacha and the methods in which the kavacha should be used, goddess Lakshmi was given the mantra by Lord Hari. After giving the mantra, he gave kavacha. Tato dadau Jagannatha kavacham mantra vigraham. He initiated goddess Lakshmi with the mantra, then he gave her the kavacha also. Tato jajapa kamala sarvasampat samriddhaye. Then Kamala chanted this mantra and kavacha for the purpose of increasing her wealth. Even Lakshmi increases her wealth through this sadhana. That means this sadhana is highly potent in blessing us with wealth. Tasmat Rajendra kavacham grihana pradadamite. Tasmat Rajendra, king of kings. This kavacham I am giving you. Pradadami. Te, to you. Giving to you. Grihana, take it. Here the word tasmat has two meanings. Hence, therefore, as this kavacha is capable of granting all these benefits, I am giving it to you. Here tasmat is again from Lord Narayana. Tasmat Narayanat kavacham grihana. Like I got it from him and I am passing it on to you. That is also the implicit meaning. Tasya smarana matrena jagadvashyam bhavishyati. Just by the remembrance of this kavacha, the whole world can be subdued. Ityuktva, having said thus, Narada Rishihi, sage Narada, Harishchandram Nareshwaram. Having said all this to Harishchandra, the king. Nareshwara means Lord of humans, king. Tato yayau svairagatihi. He went, because he can wander anywhere, he has that power. Narada is svairagatihi. He can go anywhere according to his will. He went towards Kailasa. After initiating this mantra and kavacha to Harishchandra, Narada went towards Kailasa. This kavacha portion from Sri Dakshinamurti Samhita ends in this way. Thank you for listening. This is given in the Stotra Kanda of Dakshinamurti Samhita in the Uttara Bhaga. Uttara Bhaga means the second part of Stotra Kanda of Dakshinamurti Samhita in the form of conversation between Lakshmi and Narayana.